Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by sizing and positioning yourself. Once you confirm no underground utilities, put on helmet, gloves, and eye protection. Use a chainsaw to cut the trunk as low as safely possible. This reduces weight and gives access to root collars. You should clear a 3-4 foot working area, remove loose mulch, and expose the outer root flare. Once done, loosen soil around the perimeter so you can begin levering and digging the major roots. Without binding the saw or injuring you continue by digging down around the stump to find the primary buttress roots. Expose them at least 12 to 24 inches so you can see where they enter the stump. Once exposed, cut each root with a chainsaw or reciprocating saw. Make short, controlled cuts, then pry the stump as you remove roots to reduce tension. If a root is thick, cut it in sections. If the saw binds, stop and clear soil before resuming. Make sure to rotate your work angle so you progress evenly around the stump. You finish by levering or winching the loosened stump free. Place a steel bar under a solid root lip and use a vehicle-mounted winch or hydraulic jack for stubborn pieces. Once the stump lifts out, backfill the hole with native soil, tamp in layers to prevent sinking, and rake level. If a small nub remains, grind it flush and cover with topsoil and compost. If the stump won't move, cut deeper around the root crown and consider a stump grinder or professional crew for safety and complete removal. This prevents.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.